Hello, hello, hello again. So this is the second time I've tried filming this. Oh, no. I've done two videos and now this is actually the third time. Yeah. So, the first time when I filmed it, ran into a snafu. Uh, uh, so I had to cut the video short. And so that's what, you'll see, massive unboxing part one. So that's the first time because I meant to do this all in one video. So this is massive unboxing part two, and I've tried to shoot this twice, so yeah. So hopefully this will work out this time. Obviously, I've already unboxed it. I wasn't gonna wrap everything back up. It's like, yeah, we'll be all right. So if you haven't seen part one, I give you a quick synopsis of, my husband and I, we've been working on paying down our debt. And so we paid down all of our debt, excluding my student loans. Oh, yeah, that's going to be a while. But everything else we had, our credit cards, line of credit, anything. We don't have any car notes. We don't have any other bills now. No debt, I should say. We have bills like, SMUD and you know what you mean. So anyways, paid all that down. That happened in May. And then this month, got paid and lost my damn mind right here. So anyways, here's an unboxing. The first part one showed the Coach bag. And in it, towards the end of that video, I thought they had forgotten to give me I bought two items, a bag and a bag charm. And I thought they forgot to give me the charm, but it was in there. It was at the bottom of the bag, bottom of the actual, of the shopping bag. So yes. So anyways, I opened it already. And this is it. Isn't it beautiful? So it's the Rogue bag. Yay. Isn't it gorgeous? And look at the detail, the handles. It's wonderful. The zipper. And it looks like this isn't a first generation because there's no key. It's second generation or whatever. I don't know if it's second or third generation, but not a first generation Rogue bag. So anyways, that's what I got. So yes, I did get everything. Thank you to Coach Art and Fair. And then I got some stuff from Fashion File, and I got some stuff from Nordstrom Rack. So, Fashion File, first thing is one of the items I received. This is beautiful Cartier ring. So it's the Trinity band. Does it fit on my thumb? Oh, man. Oh, wow, it does fit on my thumb. Okay. So it fits on my fingers, but I also got it to fit on my thumb. So that's cool. Huh. So anyways, this is 18 karat white gold and the black band is ceramic. So there's that. And I think one of these days I'm going to do my fine jewelry collection because I have a couple interesting pieces. Some designer, some just from local jewelry stores. So anyways, let me put it on my index so you can see it again. There you go. I might actually just do a review on that ring too, because I don't see too many reviews on it. Then the next item, and I'm very excited about this, and I'm so happy it fit. So, this piece came with the box and the bag. You can see it's from Hermes, and it says it, there you go, here. And this is what I got. This doesn't want to open up. There we go. And I've wanted this for years, but I was not willing to pay full price. So there you go. Isn't it gorgeous? Okay, let me get you the official word. It is the Hermes Epson CDC bracelet. Yeah, whatever. This is not CD. I don't think this is CDC. I thought this was a Kelly bracelet. Kelly Extreme. They put the wrong label on here. I could be wrong. I'm sorry if this is, I didn't think this was CDC, but maybe it is. I thought this was a Kelly Extreme bracelet. But either way, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And it fits beautifully on me. Very happy. Sometimes I have bad luck with these things. They just don't fit. Because I am a plus size fabulous lady. And then this, oh, couldn't believe it when it came. So, I mean, I saw it online, but it's everything. So, there we go. Chanel. I've already tried it on and it fits as well. All right, this is what I got. This lovely bracelet. And this is from the, I think that said it was spring 2019. Oh, I think it's on the clasp. Let me pull that up. You see that? Hold on, let me see if I can get it better. Can y'all see that? Full show. Maybe I need to get it down here. Well, it's not gonna clear up, but yeah, it's B19. So I believe that's spring. Yeah. But either way, I love it. And I think this is gonna do it for me for Chanel. So I now have this lovely bracelet and I have a couple of earrings. And that's gonna be it for me. I have a casual pair of earrings and then earrings that have the pearl and everything, so I can dress this up or down. Yay! And then I have, yay, these beautiful shoes. Not sure if I'm gonna keep them because as you can see, one side, yeah, I know I need a pedicure, y'all, but you know, we've all been in lockdown. Y'all know why my toes look like this. There you go. There you go. This is comfortable, fits fine. This is a little small. Do you see? Foot's hanging out a little bit. Bitter about that. Ugh. Because they look a little too small. But that's okay. So anyways, that is the gist of it. I got a couple of items. I don't even want to talk about them. It was such a mess. Ugh. Just a mess. Look at this, y'all. I'll just show you real quick. Let me make sure my address isn't in here. You see what it says? Veronica. It's Veronica Beard is the brand. I got a top and a dress. Got the Veronica Beard top just fine. But this was in there. Look at this. Veronica Beard tags on it right. Y'all, why does this say Worthington? And why did I order a silk dress and paid silk dress money? And this is a polyester dress that doesn't look anything like it. Ooh, I was hot, so I called customer service and got it documented. So I'm going to return it because I didn't want anyone to give me problems when I returned it and have them say, oh, you switched tags. No, it came like this. Look at this. I mean, I don't know. But either way, that's going back. And then I tried on the shirt and the shirt just doesn't fit. So that's going back too. But everything else looks like I'll be keeping. This is on the, I'm on the shelf. I'm on the shelf, on the fence on this bad boy. Yeah. Oh, and I want to let you know I had a great resolution to my previous problem. Fashion file. Well, actually, you know what? I'll make a different video. So yes, there was a resolution to my prior fashion file catastrophe with my Delvaux bag, but I'll make a separate video about that. So anyhow, this is everything I've gotten, and Mashariki will not be doing any more shopping, and I'm serious about that. There's no more. This was just ridiculous. I think this was just a matter of, wow, I have all this extra money because I don't have any bills to pay, and I lost my damn mind. So anyhow, y'all, I hope everyone out there is safe, enjoying their loved ones and friends, and yeah, that's it. Until the next video, see y'all later. Bye.